Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to share with you guys the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights eyeshadow palette. This is relatively new. I think it's been out for a couple of weeks, maybe about 3 weeks, and it's been sitting there in my little makeup station for a while, so I thought that I would sit down and show it to you guys. This is not going to be a review or a tutorial or anything like that. I just wanted to try it out on camera and just basically see what we think of it. I have a similar palette to this one, which is the Galaxy Chic palette, and I kind of like that one, so I'm hoping that I like this one as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm thinking I want to do like a purple kind of eye today, so I actually have my Anastasia Soft Glam palette here too, just so I can get my transition shades from here, because the Aurora Lights palette obviously doesn't have any. I'm gonna grab this NYX cream pot, and this is in the color Love Overdose. I haven't used this before, so I'm gonna use it a little bit, like, I guess as a base. Oh, this is not gonna work with nails. My nails won't get in there. Okay, so going into the Aurora Lights palette, I think I'm gonna start off with this color here, which is Gleaming. And I'm just gonna put that on top of that pink base. Okay, then I'm going to go into this color here, which is Borealis, and I'm going to see if I can darken it up a little bit. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Kaleidoscope right here, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners. And then with that same brush, I'm going to pick up this shade, which is called Ombre, and I'm going to focus that really on the inner corner of the eye. I think I'm going to take some of this blue here. This is Magnetic. And just see if I can darken this up a little bit and give it more dimension. Then I'm going to take this pot again and take this little liner brush. I'm going to try to give myself a wing. Okay, so now I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Bright liquid liner. This is from the same collection, and this is in the color, it doesn't have a color. Oh yeah, it's Vivid Violet. And I'm gonna go over that thing that we just put on. Then I'm gonna take this one in the color Vivid Fire, and I'm gonna put it again over that pink liner, but in the inner corner of the eye, and blend it into that purple. Okay guys, so I finished off the eyes, and I'm just gonna go in with the ColourPop Oh Snap Lippy Sticks. So that is pretty much it for this look. I do like these palettes. I like the quality of the eyeshadows in them. They're very shimmery, they're very bright, they're very fun to use, but obviously this is a like a special occasion type of vibe that I get from these palettes. The quality itself of these palettes is amazing, so I don't think that you're gonna go wrong if you're looking for something fun and, you know, out of the ordinary. The colors in them, to be honest with you, I don't see these often. Like I don't own any palette that has these colors in them already. These are just very, very beautiful colors. That was Ombre. Let me show you Kaleidoscope, Prismatic, 24K. So in my opinion, they are very unique colors. I don't think that your average palette has these colors in them. So again, if you're looking for something that's fun and out there, I don't think that you're going to be disappointed with these palettes, because the quality is really great. So I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, if you stayed until the end, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you later. Bye.